In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can activate your eSIM on your iPhone. Now before we start, if you are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also press the bell icon so you get notified when we release our new videos. Now let us get started. So the first step is open up your settings, and after you open your settings, scroll down till you find Cellular option. Tap on Cellular, and after you scroll down for a bit, you will see Add eSIM option. Tap on it. Now it may take some time to load, but after it loads, you will need to get your QR card ready, and after you get your QR code, just scan it by tapping on Use QR code, and after you scan it, your eSIM will start working. So yeah, that is basically it guys. That is how you activate your eSIM on your iPhone. Thank you for watching. That is all for the video. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye.